In today's video, I'm walking you through how to set up Verpex hosting and launch your first WordPress site step by step. My name's Ashley, and if you've been wanting to start a blog, maybe a portfolio, or an online store, this is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to do it. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Verpex? Verpex is a cloud-based web hosting provider that offers everything you need to launch and manage a WordPress site, whether you're a total beginner or someone managing multiple sites. They're really known for affordable pricing, amazing customer support, and powerful tools like cPanel and Lightspeed servers. Verpex also provides global server locations, daily backups, free SSL certificates, and fast, reliable performance. It's especially great for beginners because everything is easy to set up, and they offer a free domain, pre-installed WordPress, and one-click tools so you can launch super fast. Before we get into the tutorial, I wanted to quickly just mention a few key features, and Verpex includes a wide range of features designed to simplify the website setup process and improve performance, security, and scalability. All hosting plans include a free domain name for the first year. The Lightspeed web server ensures fast page load speeds and performance. You also get access to cPanel, which is one of the most user-friendly and widely used hosting control panels. Verpex offers daily automated backups so you never have to worry about losing your site data. And every plan comes with a free SSL certificate, which keeps your site secure and improves search engine trust. Their plans support unlimited websites depending on the tier you choose. It's great for portfolios, agencies, or small businesses. You'll also get a free site migration if you're transferring an existing website, and their support team is available 24/7 and response times are usually pretty fast within minutes. Verpex includes Lightspeed cache and optimization tools to help improve site speed SEO. These features make Verpex a powerful and beginner-friendly hosting option that scales with your needs. So if you want to follow along with me, I've left the link in the description below. Once you click the link, we need to first choose your hosting plan. So they've got a couple options here, and you can actually save up to 90% off. So they've got web hosting, reseller hosting, and VPS hosting. So with the web hosting plan, you get features like unlimited bandwidth, free daily backups, 24/7 tech support, and 45-day money back guaranteed. And that's actually with all of the plans, which is amazing. Next is the reseller hosting plan, which starts from $1.80 per month. You get 15 to 200 cPanel accounts, up to 4 gigabytes of RAM per cPanel, 24/7 migrations, and so much more. And then lastly, with the VPS hosting plan, this is starting from $10 a month. And with this plan, you get up to 16 gigabytes of dedicated RAM. You get things like 24/7 migration and unlimited traffic. But if you're just getting started with the site, you could even just start off with this web hosting plan. It would be completely fine. Once you go ahead and click start now, you can choose between monthly or 12-month. The 36-month plan is going to save you the most. You can save up to $280. But again, choose a plan that best fits your needs. So once you decide on a plan and log in, you'll just enter in all of your information and you are good to go. So the next step is to register or transfer your domain. And Verpex does offer a free domain name for the first year with most plans. If you don't already have a domain, you can register one during checkout. If you already have a domain with another provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap, you can point it to Verpex by updating your name servers. Instructions will be emailed to you right after purchase. Okay, so now once your purchase is complete and you are logged in, just check your inbox for your login credentials. You'll want to log in, and this is where we will see all of our active products. What we're going to do next is access the cPanel. What we're going to do is go to products and services, and then we'll go to manage product. We're going to go into log into control panel, and here we are. Now what we need to do next is install WordPress. We're going to go ahead and go to WordPress manager, and what we're going to do is click install. You'll want to choose your domain, click custom install, or click install, and then you'll click install down here. And then we'll just wait a few minutes until it's done. Okay, now that that's installed, what we're gonna do is go back to the cPanel and we'll create an email account. So all you do is click email, and then we'll click create, and then you can enter in your username, and then you can set up a password, you can have it generate, and then all you do is we'll click create. Good to go, easy peasy. So next what we're gonna do is install the SSL certificate. So we'll go back to tools, we'll scroll down to security, go to SSL. So So I already have mine right here, but if you needed to adjust anything, this is where you would do it. So now that we've got our WordPress site set up, what I would do is go to appearances and then themes. So this way you can go ahead and choose one. So let's choose Blocksy. This is one that I've used in the past. Theme details, activate. So this is where you can just preview the theme. You can upload your own as well. Next, we want to install the essential plugins. So what you'll want to do is go to plugins, add plugin. All you have to do is search right here. So a few that I recommend are Yoast SEO for search optimization, WP Forms for contact forms, Elementor for easy page building, Updraft Plus for backups, WordFence for added security, and Lightspeed Cache to boost site speed. So one other thing that you can do is install Updrafts Plus to create manual backups and store them in places like Dropbox or Google Drive. That way you're covered no matter what. Now to actually edit your pages, you'll come into pages and then you can see the different pages right here. So let's just say we want to edit this page right here. This is how you would add text. So you just click up here. You can drag in any text. You can add any images and then you can upload right here. You can add text like I said. Everything's drag and drop, which is super easy and convenient. And then you can add some other design elements like buttons. Again, drag and drop, very simple and easy to use. They've also got widgets like calendar features, latest posts. This was the plugin that I mentioned you should install, and so much more. So just come in here and play around with it. But once you're in WordPress, you're ready to go. Now that you understand how to get everything set up, let's go over some of the pros and cons of Verpex. So one of the biggest pros of Verpex is how beginner friendly it is. From the clean dashboard to the automatic WordPress install, it's made for people who want to get online without tech overwhelm. The inclusion of a free domain, SSL, and daily backups saves money and effort, especially when starting from scratch. Another major advantage is speed. Lightspeed servers and caching tools make your site load so much faster, which helps with SEO and user experience. And their support team is genuinely so helpful and quick to respond, which isn't always the case with budget hosting. As for the cons, the UI design of their dashboard and cPanel might feel slightly dated to users familiar with more modern interfaces like Squarespace or Webflow. And while their free domain offer is solid, it only applies to certain plans with annual billing. Still, the pros definitely outweigh the cons, especially if you're looking for value. So if you're just getting started and want to launch a site quickly, Verpex makes it super easy. Even the entry-level plan gives you all the tools that you need. Again, if you want to check them out, the link is in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we always want to thank you so much in advance. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your next or first website. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.